Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Contain Your Life. Today, I'm going to share a powerful, all-natural remedy for when you're feeling under the weather. If you're fighting off a cold or flu and want a simple solution using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, you'll definitely want to save this video. This is a traditional recipe passed down through generations, and it's packed with goodness to help you feel better, faster. So let's dive right into making this amazing fire cider-inspired tonic. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You're going to need 1 cup of raw honey. I highly recommend using raw, unfiltered honey because it contains more beneficial enzymes and antioxidants. Next, grab 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, preferably the kind with the mother. This cloudy stuff is full of beneficial bacteria and proteins. Then you'll need 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for that vitamin C boost. Now for the spices that really bring the heat and healing power. We'll use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. These spices are known for their anti-inflammatory and warming properties. Finally, add half to 3/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can adjust this amount based on how much heat you can handle, but the cayenne is fantastic for clearing congestion and boosting circulation. Making it is super simple. Just get a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Pour in the honey first. Honey is a natural cough suppressant and helps soothe a sore, scratchy throat. It's wonderfully comforting. Then add the apple cider vinegar. It's a great immune system supporter and helps balance your body's pH levels. Squeeze in your fresh lemon juice. It's not just for vitamin C, it also helps break up mucus. Next, sprinkle in your spices, the cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric. These 3 are a powerhouse trio. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties. Ginger helps with nausea and inflammation, and turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, it's a potent anti-inflammatory. Lastly, add the cayenne pepper. This will give it a nice kick and really help to warm you from the inside out. Now, just screw the lid on tight and give it a good shake. You can also just stir it all together with a spoon until everything is fully combined and you have a smooth, syrupy mixture. The color will be a beautiful golden orange. So, how do you use this incredible concoction? When you feel a cold or flu coming on? Or if you're already in the thick of it, take 1 tablespoon straight as needed. It's potent, so be ready for that spicy kick. Taking it straight is a bit too intense for you. A great way to enjoy it is by mixing 1 tablespoon into a mug of warm water or your favorite herbal tea. It dissolves easily and makes a soothing, comforting drink that feels amazing on a sore throat. The warmth of the tea combined with the powerful ingredients really helps you feel better almost instantly. You can take this several times a day, but listen to your body. For storage, make sure the jar is sealed tightly and keep it in the refrigerator. It will last for several weeks, if not months, so you can have it ready whenever you need it. It's a great thing to make at the beginning of cold and flu season just to have on hand. Now, a quick but important disclaimer. I am not a doctor, and this information is not intended as medical advice. This is a traditional home remedy that many people, including myself, find helpful. However, you should always consult with your healthcare provider before trying any new remedy, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking any medications. Your doctor can give you the best advice for your specific situation. Safety first, always. I hope you give this natural remedy a try the next time you're feeling unwell. It's easy, effective, and made with simple ingredients you can trust. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried something like this before, or if you have your own go-to natural cold remedy. I love learning from you all. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more natural wellness tips and healthy recipes. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.